Welcome to Speak English Every Day. This is the channel where we pursue structured, thoughtful, and deliberate English learning. Here, in our playlist English with Clarity, we do not chase fleeting shortcuts or superficial tricks. Rather, we focus on precision in language, lucidity of thought, and the cultivation of confident speech. Whether you are embarking on your English journey or strengthening your foundation, this space is for you. Every lesson is designed to be calm, reflective, and methodical, helping you speak slowly, clearly, and with purpose. Before we begin, pause for a moment and take a deep breath. Learning a language is not a race. It is a process of consistent reflection, thoughtful practice, and patient refinement. Today, we will explore one of the most fundamental pillars of English grammar, the simple present tense. So, let us begin our journey. Have you ever considered how the smallest words can shape the way we think, communicate, and understand the world? English is not merely a tool for expression. It is a mirror for your thoughts, a bridge to understanding, and a key to clarity. Now, let us turn our attention to the foundation that underpins all lucid communication, the simple present tense. All right, let us first understand what the simple present tense is. We employ it primarily to convey three things: daily routines or habitual actions, what we do regularly; facts or universal truths, statements that remain constant and reliable; scheduled events or general statements, timetables, programs, or organized events. Let us consider them individually. Daily routines. I wake up at 6 o'clock. She drinks tea in the morning. We go to school by bus. Next, facts or universal truths. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Birds fly in the sky. Finally, scheduled events. The train leaves at 9 in the morning. The school opens at 7:30 a.m. Observe how these sentences, though simple, convey certainty, clarity, and confidence. Now let us examine the structure of positive sentences. The formula is straightforward. Subject plus base verb plus s/es for third-person singular. Examples: I play football. She plays football. They study English every day. A crucial point: for he, she, it, we always append s or es. He reads books. She watches television. It rains a lot in the monsoon. All right, now let us move on to negative sentences. The structure is subject plus does plus not plus base verb. Examples: I do not play football. She does not play football. We do not watch TV in the morning. Remember, use do not with I, you, we, they. Use does not with he, she, it. Next, let us consider forming questions. The structure is do, does, plus subject, plus base verb. Examples: Do you play football? Does she read books in the evening? Do they study English every day? Questions are vital because they convey engagement, curiosity, and self-assuredness in English. All right, a few tips on pronunciation. Reads. The S sounds like Z. Watches. The ES sounds like ease. Does. Pronounced does. Common mistakes to avoid. Forgetting S. He read book. He reads books. Using do instead of does. She do not like coffee. She does not like coffee. Mixing base verb with does not. She does not reads books. She does not read books. Now, let us practice a few sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I drink tea every morning. Repeat. I drink tea every morning. He reads books in the evening. Repeat. He reads books in the evening. She does not watch television at night. Repeat. She does not watch television at night. Do you speak English? Repeat. Do you speak English? They go to school by bus. Repeat. They go to school by bus. Excellent. Keep practicing like this to internalize the pattern and speak with confidence. Let us examine this sentence. She reads books in the evening. She, subject, a single individual. Reads, base verb plus s for third person singular. Books, object, indicating the action performed. In the evening, time phrase, specifying when the action occurs. Understanding each element allows you to construct new sentences confidently. For example, he eats breakfast at 7 a.m. I study English at night. They play cricket in the afternoon. All right, if this explanation is helping you, write one sentence in the comments using today's lesson. Remember to include a subject, verb, and time phrase. Let us put it all together in a short speech. Every day, I wake up at 6 in the morning. I drink a glass of water and take a short walk. I read English books for 30 minutes. My friends play football in the evening, and I sometimes join them. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock, and I study for 1 hour before going to bed. I always sleep early because I need energy for the next day. Repeat this speech aloud, focusing on S endings, rhythm, and pronunciation. Take a moment to reflect. What daily routines do I want to describe in English? Which habits do I repeat every day, and how can I express them clearly? Am I confident forming he, she, it sentences without hesitation? Reflection builds awareness, clarity, and confidence. Here is your practice task. Write 5 sentences about your daily routine in simple present tense. Speak them aloud slowly, focusing on pronunciation and rhythm. Share one sentence in the comments to receive constructive feedback. Remember, consistency is far more important than quantity. If you value structured and thoughtful English learning, consider subscribing to Speak English Every Day. We improve not through noise, but through clarity, consistency, and reflection. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with purpose.